Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Adarsh Vulcan Park, which is located in Chudasandra, Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group. And today we are here to do the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. And about the land parcel is Holders land parcel of 51.5 acres of land parcel where the marketing office is built on and where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of 3D model. So this is total 51.5 acres of land parcel. And here, let's focus upon the phase 2, which consists of 2 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, having exclusive 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK amenities plus the lake-facing apartments. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Chudasandra, Sarjapur, Bangalore. And now let me tell you that basically this is the internal road for the phase 2 and the project. Now about the further connectivity of the project, let me first tell you that this project is prime tri-junction to 3 main parts of Bangalore. Easily connection from Sarjapur main road, ORR and the electronic city as well. Coming to the further connectivity of the project. So Gattahalli road is 2 kilometers away from the project. Foodmax Hypermart is 2.6 kilometers away and Hosa Metro is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. And now one thing that we should not miss is the lake view. So this is the Gattahalli lake, for which you'll be getting the lake view apartment for the towers. Now about the amenities part. So this project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like as you can check out, this is the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like saloon, restaurant, spa, bar and even many more. Additionally, you can check out the outer amenities like of swimming pool, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area and many more. Now about the super built-up area, as mentioned, this project consists of 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium lake-facing apartments with 2.5 BHK starting from 1354 to 1454 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1804 to 1906 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So project booking windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Adarsh Vulcan Park, which is located in Chudasandra, Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.